This is part 10 of my videos, a series of videos on a 2001 Chevy Tahoe engine swap. Part of the one of the requirements for the warranty on the new crate motor is that the intake manifold be cleaned before installation, because they're concerned about old engine parts or bits and pieces in the intake coming down to the new motor and destroying it. So for the last 2 hours I've spent cleaning this intake. You can see that I scrubbed and I had to scrape out a lot of baked on oil scum and I'm not sure what, it's not really corrosion, it's just oil, hardened oil scum that sticks in there and forms a really rough surface. So I scraped each one of these runners out with a screwdriver. There's a screwdriver and a wire brush. This is intended for cleaning barbecue grills, but it makes a great brush for cleaning out the runners on intakes. So I've brushed each runner and cleaned it out with Shout. By the way, I'll do a separate video, but that Shout is great stuff for cleaning hands and tools and parts if you don't want to use gunk. But I also used foamy gunk in this intake to try to get it, once I got all the things scraped out, I went one last time through it with the gunk foamy to try to get any residual oil and stuff out of it. So I think I got it pretty clean. It's kind of got some strange passages in there. You can't really, this passage is not the end passage. There's a hole in the top where the air goes in and up into the top to get to these runners. But it's very similar to a 10-quart injection intake from the late 80s and early 90s. But if I had to do this over again, I probably would have taken the fuel rails off here and there, and same on the other side, and got these fuel rails off so that I wasn't spilling gas everywhere. I didn't cap this gas line, so I had gas dripping everywhere, but no harm done. So the intake's clean. I'm about to blow dry it off with compressed air, and then I'm going to install it. The car is prepped for the install. You can see that I've got the wire harnesses pulled up and out of the way with a coat hanger hooked up to the hood up there. And so that allows the intake to slide right in here underneath this harness. This clip right here is your that's your knock sensors. So that clips on the side of the intake once you get it installed. This is the canister purge line, runs right up through the middle intake. I'll have to work that in. That's your EGR hose. Again, I'll push this out of the way when I put the intake on. Right now, the factory tape that's protecting the intake runners is still on the cylinder heads, and I'm going to vacuum this engine off, and or actually vacuum and blow it off with compressed air before I pull that tape off and make sure there's no dirt in there. So that's where I'm at, and I'm about to install this intake, and it'll be smooth sailing pretty much from this point on. So I'll do another video when I start connecting all the sensors to the intake, and because you can see how that goes. That's probably something people want to know about the most. It's not that hard if you know what these sensors all are. So thanks for watching.